Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. Yes, I am just here today for a brief moment. I'm just here to basically say thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, to all those persons who have subscribed and have stuck around with me to this point. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. To my new subscribers, I want to say thank you and welcome to my channel. Yes, thank you guys for bringing up my numbers. Yes, I'm feeling good that I have reached the 400 mark. I have here some natural seeds. I am going to create a wire walk necklace. Guys, I am really grateful. So today I'm going to create this necklace and perhaps a pair of earrings, and I am going to be giving it away to somebody. Yes, so anybody who comments on this video, somebody is going to end up with that necklace. So let me just show you a little. So I have my measurement here for my wire so I don't waste it. So I'll just cut me a piece of wire. Okay, and I'll just simply twist that around there. Hey guys, guess what? If you'd like me to do a video demonstrating how, wow. So seed number one is ready. So I'm gonna do some more of these. Guys, I'm gonna do it off camera. As I say, if you'd like me to do a video showing you how to make this, then let me know and I'll be able to do that for you. Okay, so see you guys when I'm finished. Yeah guys, I'm going to head to my parents. By the time I finish this set, I'm going to be finishing it by my parents. So see you guys when I'm finished. Hey guys, I'm back, and not only am I back, I'm finished. So I'm willing to give this package away to one person. All you have to do is comment on the video, and I'm encouraging you as well. You subscribe to my channel. When you look at the videos, please give them a thumbs up. Yes, please do. So this is the necklace. It's 18 inches in length, and I made a pair of earrings as well, and of course a little bracelet. Yeah, so these are made from natural seeds, as I said earlier. They are known as Job's tears. Yes, if you notice, they look like teardrops. Yeah, they are known as Job tears. And the wire that I used is stainless steel, so it would be able to last longer. Jewelry making is one of my hobbies, so I basically make my own stuff from time to time. All these pieces were made by myself. Yep. And of course the necklace. So I hope that whoever gets this, you're gonna like it. Yeah, you're gonna enjoy it, because I really put some work into it, because you have to clean each seeds. Yes, on the inside there is some pieces of like grass that grows on the inside, so you have to make sure clean them out before you can make them into anything worthwhile. Yes, I've put a lot of work in it, so I hope you guys are going to comment. Yeah, and I'll be able to give this away. Alrighty, so remember, if you'd like to get this, if you're male, you comment, and you're lucky, you can give it to your mom, your wife, your sister, girlfriend, any female in your life. Yes, you can give it to them. So I'm not gonna go any longer, just to say, hey, thank you, thank you, thank you once more. Yes, guys, I'm happy to see my numbers climbing. Please encourage your family, your friends. Yeah, share my videos, share my channel. Yes, and whoever you share it with, encourage them to subscribe. Okay, help me get to those 4-digit numbers. And then we can go from there. So take care of yourselves. It's the weekend. Be careful whatever you do, wherever you go. Please take care of yourself. If you're drinking, do not drive. Whatever you do, do it in moderation. Alright guys, so take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time in my next video.